Ever wondered what financial markets are and how they function? Financial markets are essentially the bustling arenas where the trading of securities takes place. From the stock market to the bond market, the forex market, the derivatives market and beyond, these marketplaces are the lifeblood of capitalist societies. But what happens when they fail? Economic disruption can ensue, leading to recession and unemployment. Quite a hefty responsibility, wouldn't you say? So let's delve into this fascinating world, starting with the stock markets. These are the stages where companies list their shares and traders and investors buy and sell them. A company steps onto this stage to raise capital through an initial public offering or IPO. After that, it's a free-for-all, with shares being traded between various buyers and sellers in what's known as the secondary market. Next, we move on to the bond markets. A bond is essentially a fancy IOU, representing a loan made by an investor to a borrower, who is typically a corporation or a government entity. Companies use bond markets to raise capital through debt financing, and these bonds can be traded on regulated exchanges or over the counter. Now, let's fly over to the forex markets. Short for foreign exchange, forex is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It's like a giant global currency exchange counter with traders buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. Lastly, we come to the derivatives markets. Derivatives are the chameleons of the financial world. They're financial instruments that derive their value from an underlying asset or security. They can be used for hedging or speculation purposes, and they come in various forms like futures contracts, options contracts, and swaps. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the financial markets. Whether it's stocks, bonds, forex, or derivatives, these markets play an essential role in the smooth operation of our economies. They offer avenues for companies to raise capital, for governments to finance public projects, and for investors to grow their wealth. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The failure of these markets can lead to economic disruption and hardship. So it's essential to understand them, to navigate them wisely, and to ensure their continued stability.